Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best electric staple guns on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the NEU Master Staple Gun Cordless. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The NEU Master NTC0070 cordless staple gun is a versatile tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by a 3.6V lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 500 full power shots per charge, making it suitable for tasks such as upholstery, insulation, and light carpentry. Its spiral drive technology ensures consistent performance without the need for cords or compressors. Weighing just 2.46 pounds, the tool features an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. It accepts T50 staples up to ½ inch in length and includes an LED indicator and viewing window to monitor staple levels. The kit comes with 300 staples and a USB charger, providing convenience and portability for various projects. Number 2 is the Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun. The Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun is a lightweight, cordless tool designed for versatility in home projects. Weighing just 1.6 pounds, it features a 4V lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 850 shots per charge, with a firing rate of 50 staples per minute. This 2-in-1 device accommodates T50 staples from 1/4 to 9/16 inch and 18-gauge brad nails from 9/16 to 5/8 inch, making it suitable for tasks like upholstery, carpentry, and DIY crafts. The bottom-loading magazine simplifies reloading, and a transparent window allows you to monitor staple levels easily. Safety is enhanced with a triple lock system, including a power switch, contact striker, and trigger activation. The tool charges fully in about 2 hours via a USB Type-C port. The kit includes 1,200 staples, 400 nails, and a staple remover, providing a comprehensive solution for various light-duty applications. The first position goes to the Aero T50 ACD heavy-duty corded electric staple gun for upholstery. The Aero T50 ACD heavy-duty corded electric staple gun is a powerful and dependable option for home improvement and upholstery projects. It features a patented motor drive system that delivers consistent power with every shot, eliminating the need for manual force. This tool is compatible with T50 staples ranging from 1/4 to ½ inch, making it suitable for tasks like furniture reupholstering, decorating, and general repairs. Its compact and ergonomic design includes a soft, over-molded grip for comfortable use during long sessions. A bottom-loading magazine with a quick-release feature allows for fast reloading, and the staple viewing window lets you keep track of supply levels. Built-in contact safety prevents accidental firing, and the corded power ensures continuous performance without recharging. This staple gun offers durability, ease of use, and precision for users seeking efficiency and control in their stapling tasks. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 electric staple guns that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.